Something very strange is going on today, Friday the 20th, and look what's coming out of the sky. We ain't seen this in a while. Well, I'm just north of Morpeth and I've been crawling along for the past 3 miles. You've got Eshot here. Now, I know for a fact there is no roadworks, no traffic lights, there's no accident. For whatever reason, every time you come up here, around this time, it's 20 past 4 now, sorry, 25 past, from about 4 o'clock onwards, it's like this. And this will be like it all the way to the dual carriageway. And it just does not make sense why. So I was a 2 o'clock start, and they say today is the worst day for driving because the holidays break up and all that malarkey, all the schools and things. Well, it's just the same as normal around this time. I started at 2, I didn't get out of the yard till 3 o'clock, it's 4:30 and I'm only at Eshot. For some reason now, I've just touched my brakes, right, literally just tapped it a tiny bit. And I was on 96%, my score's gone from 96% to 88. That is bullshit, man. Easing up now. Maximum score, there, full stars, and it didn't move it from 88, it's still on 88. I'm on 4 for spin. Quite busy week. Having been in, only took a 1 day off yesterday. Had a lovely day off. And I'm in for 4 and off for 2. And then in again. Early's all next week after that. I'm off Tuesday, Wednesday because it's my birthday. We're going up to Newcastle on Tuesday night for a night out. There's a few we're going up. And then recover day on Wednesday, which is my birthday. It's your birthday. Anyway, there, maximum points again, it's not moved from 88. So frustrating sometimes. But to get all the way through the traffic in that and keep it on 96%, I was get chuffed. And then just there, it just went poof, took loads of points off. I'll set the camera up one day so I'll show you. I can't really do it with the mount I've got at the minute, but I could use the clamp. I'll get the clamp on and hang it upside down and then flip it in my edit a bit. I'll just give us one score there. I've gone down again to 85% now. Total bull sometimes, like. I've got double decker, which means it's going to be a late one. I'll be looking out for detour signs and road closures on my way up today and see if there's anything I've got to worry about. If there's anything down this side or whatever, I'm just going to turn right. I'm going to come out with Tesco's and straight down there 74. I haven't got a full double decker today. It's both decks have got stuff in, both levels, but just not as much as the last time I was here. 1 o'clock tomorrow will be an interesting one because I'm heading down to Goole. I think you do sort of you go down to Goole with your decker. It's a different type of double decker than this one. It's the blue ones that you see on the road, the blue Tesco double deckers. And you head down the way, you drop it on a bay, just leave it. Like you go into Tesco's school and you'll see a shunter and they'll tell you what bay to put it on. You drop it, you pick another trailer up, empty, and you take it to one of the services halfway back, and then you swap the trailer with somebody in there, and you go back down, drop the rubbish again, and then get a full load to take back up. There, look at the traffic. See what I mean? That is super frustrating now. Oh, it's a double decker, so he's going to get in before me. There's at least half an hour extra wait. Damn! Oh. If only I didn't take that 15-minute break. It's like that, innit? But you need to. I needed to take the break. I noticed that I just need to take a 30 in the yard. Just one of them things. Stop them now. Bugger though. My pal's sending us videos of them all in the pub having a nice pint, yada yada yada. It may have something to do with the fact he was 14.5-hour shift yesterday, and halfway through his shift I was sending him pictures of steak, me having a steak and a nice cold one in the garden, so fair enough, what goes around comes around. But I have a feeling it's not going to be the end of the videos and the wind-ups. I should have showed you when I was on my break actually. I will, maybe. Name and shame him, big cat. This will go red, but it goes green quite quick. Just trickle around. Come on baby, come on baby, yeah. Well, if I go in and that guy's on the bay, I'll go and have a look and I'll see what he's got, and I can take me 30 while I'm waiting, and then that's, at least that's out the way. I'll fuel up again as I go in the gates. That saves a bit of time afterwards as well. By the way, I'm not really losing any time, am I? So, stop chewing on your bottom lip, man, just get on with it. You're not losing time, you take your break, you don't move for 30 minutes, simple as. Simple. One hour, 10 minutes later. My turn. They're screaming for deckers. There's none if you look, absolutely none. So he told me to find them, I have. He went, just stick it in here anyway. One has come in and they're using that at the minute. I've never been in here without a double decker being in here. That's a first, so it just goes to show you how busy it is at the minute. It doesn't help when that guy in front of me took like forever, and he did, and the guy who was helping us, same old fella with the diabetes, lovely bro, said he started sweeping out and things like that, and there's people waiting to get on the bay. A shacks my head in great disbelief. How's that, fellas? So, I'm going to plunk its arse in here. Like so. I think it was the one that was down here to my left. guard. Hook up my next victim. Right, that's me out of there. Estimated time back in the yard. Fucking hell. Right, quarter to there. It's 10:15 at night. I'm due back in the yard for 1:15. There's two other trucks from our yard coming with their double deckers as well. Well, I was just hooking up to this, I could see them both, so they're going to be there a while, I'm afraid. Although they're probably used to it coming in this time of night. I'll get one near me and then I'll switch off.